Jah bless and Mitch.
Oh, spectacular. Well, in his right hand was a 16. Him bust it up and now it create a big scene. A big drama in a this scheme. Day in, day out of just the system that most of us bring into life. Things that we do to survive. We don't have no 9 to 5. We hustle to get by in the ghetto. There's only one way we know. In the ghetto. There's only one way to go.
Right now, my clip full but my belly is empty. The Chinese store at the corner attempt me. Back from the penitentiary. If me do one more crime, then me good a serve a century. Tired to see the blood run for real, but me also tired of that ton-car meal. It hurt me when me got a M16. Sunday come and me can't buy my children cream. Me life hard like it dip on Viagra. My mama cry I water like Niagara. When she see me wanted profile on the telly, and she can't believe that is our wash belly.
In the ghetto. There's only one way we know. In the ghetto. There's only one way to go. Hotter than the equator. The lyrics we create, yeah. Got to keep the faith, yeah. One day we'll be greater. Cause if you see me in the street, I play a gunshot a beat, then you know that's how I'm living. Play coffins and beat bodies on the white sheet, hey, you know that's how I'm living. Big dance I do it all night, rocking to the beat, so you know that's how I'm living. No shoes up on my feet, no food to eat, yes you know that's how I'm living. Cause we're the real ghetto youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. Hey, we're the real ghetto youth, effect of the system cause it's a revolution. Yes, we're the real ghetto youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. Hey, we're the real ghetto youth, effect of the system cause it's a revolution. Many say they had it hard but me laugh. Never had the exercise book cut in half. Quick for utter, how much you suffer. Sunday where you know about dumpling and butter. Some say them traumatized but me can't see the logic. How many family members you know die tragic. Acting witty, seeking self-pity. Mama got her baby but no milk in her titty. She lacks nutrition while you drive an expedition. Same one I give you them gun and ammunition. Yet you claim that you're the peacemaker. Dirty undertaker, you turn dreams to vapor. What? Real ghetto youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. Yes, we're the real ghetto youth, effect of the system cause it's a revolution. Hey, we're the real ghetto youth, we know the
Bones, I just hear so. You see? You're not fucking dead, man. We can't make it, man. Come here.
No, I can't make it, man.
Bones, get up, no, man. Get up. I can't leave you. Bones, you have to get up. Bones, come, no, man. Bones, fight the thing, no, man, and come. Bones. That's the wall,
No, man, just go and lift me.
Go on, left you. I can't leave you, Bones.
Go and lift me.
Bones, fucking get up now, man. Bones, you can't make it. Come now.
Can't make it, go on, dog.
Bones, you can't make it.
No, man, just.
Bones, you must come, Bones. Help me, no, man, Bones. I'm not leave you, Bones. Get up now, man.
This blood clot boy there.
Bones.
Yo, what is blood? Yo, hey. Hold the boy, no man. Let the boy match up. Fuck, yeah. Never knew that dead. Pussy. How the boy?
Get one thing, yeah, I don't know the boy run gone. You see, the yassa shit, he must have dropped or something, I don't know. Hey, can't believe when I make the man get to him. I don't know the rest gone, you know.
Sorry about that.
Hey, ask her which one the money. She look like she not dead yet.
Which part of the rest gone?
The rest there.
Hey, girl, talk now, man. Which part of the rest gone? Bump, girl. What do with it?
She be dead!
What do with the back?
Ras, hear me I say. What you say? Skin her bomb.
Suck your mother. Fuck, Kaya.